This question is minimum size subarray sum. So you're given an integer positive integer nums array and a positive integer target, and return the minimum length of the subarray whose sum is actually greater than or equal to the target. And if there is no such subarray, then you have to return 0. So let's draw. So you definitely know the problem. So I'm going to go straight to my solution. So what you need to do is you need a 2-pointer left and right. So left and right start from 0, and then you keep adding the value until the value until the value from left all the way to the right is actually greater or equal to the target, right? And then you check the length, then you move your left pointer plus, and then go again, and then if the value is actually less than target, then it's gonna be right plus, right? So first thing is gonna be another color. So 2 plus 3 is actually 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the first window is gonna be like this, right? So the value is 8, right? And then the length should be 4, right? So this is gonna be the first window. So now I need to move in my left plus, and then I need to update my window. I also need to update my value. So a minus 2 is actually equal to 6, right? So once you move your left, you need to deduct the left index value, right? So the order definitely is not like this. It's going to be deduct the left, and then you plus later, right? You plus later. All right. So yes, this should be the the idea, right? So if the value is actually less than a target, so this is 6, right? So this is not a window I need to find. So I need to keep moving my right to here. So the value is actually 10. So now it's actually greater than the target. So I check my windows, the length is full. Then I move my left pointer by 1. So the value is 7, right? 6, 7, and then the length should be 3, right? So if they are equal, just keep moving your left, right? And this will be it, right? And then so on, you can just go all the way to the right. Definitely, right? So let's stop coding. So I need to have an I pointer and j pointer. So I starting from 0, right? I need to have the sum. I need to have the minimum value. So I need to keep track of the minimum length, right? So I need to set current length to the max value. I need to have my right pointer. So for every single value, I need to add to the sum. So while the sum is actually greater or equal to the target, then I need to update my result, and the index is going to be j minus I plus 1. So plus 1 is actually represent the length, right? I and j represent the index, and we need to include the index 0, right? And then so now I update my result, I need to update my sum. So since I added the value, I need to, this is j, sorry, and I need to subtract the I, and then I need to increment my I, so I can increment my I afterward, right? So later on I will return result, but if my result is actually what the integer.max value, which is going to be return 0, else return result, right? So this will be it, right? And then submit. So for the time and space are pretty straightforward. This is a space constant, this is for the time, all of n. And don't look at this, this is actually what just moving the inner pointer, and the time and space, the time for the inner value is actually like a constant. The main point is this, right? So it's going to be all of n for the time, and then all of 1 for the space. So I probably need to have a breakpoint, starting right over here. And let's see the debug mode. And alright, so you just keep watching the windows. Alright, so this is pretty much it, right? So if you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it. And this is pretty standard interview question. So good luck.